Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. All right, it's time to try a few new grinds. I think we're going to try with the S grind. Are you ready? Here we go. Welcome back. Whew. Feels like I just did this 5 minutes ago. All right, if you watched the last video, yeah, I'm basically shooting the intros and outro at the same time. The other footage, I have no idea. Anyway, I'm going to grind this, but I'm going to do this one second because this was kind of a mess up if you watched that last video, and I kind of turned it into this. So if I ruin this, it was already ruined in the first place, so I'm not really that worried about it. Let's get our grind on with this. All right, let's get to it. I don't think I explained in the last video what I did for the other dagger, but I just pulled end to end. That way I knew no matter what happened here, no matter what happened here, this would be centered. And that's where I messed up on this, because on this one I pulled from the edges. But anyway, so I just did that here. This is just a guide, and by no way is this a tutorial on how to do S grinds. This is where I want my plunge line, and I'm gonna try to stay in the middle. When I get it down to here, where it's hitting there, it looks close, then I'm gonna start doing flats, but we'll see. I have no idea what I'm doing. That's the funnest part. Well, I guess I should have known not to hang my camera cable over my grinder. It didn't have that much tension. I guess it just had just enough to grind. Let me get a battery for this camera. Well, I guess I lost all that footage. So this first 5 minutes is going to be one camera. Whew, that scared me. I put the battery in it and it wouldn't turn on. Then I had to look through the iPhone, the iPad, and there it was. So I just had to fix some settings. All right, let's get back on track. Now I gotta hang it way high so it won't fall in. Sucks we'll probably lose most of this footage, but yeah, we should be all right. Let's get back to it. Well, first I break the cord on this camera, then I forgot to turn it on. But I guess that's how it's done to start out. I'm a little worried right there. It might have gone a little too deep, because man, woo! I mean the original groove. So I'm gonna have to just kind of take that lightly, but I'm gonna hit it with a 120 before I put the flats on. All right, let's get that flat on there. I marked center, but I left it pretty thick. Remember, I surface ground this, so it's not gonna be even this side and that side, because whatever. Anyway, I really have no idea what we're doing here. So I'm just gonna break the 90s with that same belt, put on a new 50, and see where it takes us. That's one thing about having this bad arm. I have to rely on that. And I went, and I distal tapered it, so I had to make it a little bit smaller. So let me go remark it. Whew, we're right there on it, so I can't go any thinner here. I'm not used to doing full flats. I caught myself a few times doing it upside down, but that's all right. I guess that's the good part about a full flat, huh? All right, 120. I went and restruck the lines just to make sure we're all straight. All right, let me put the wheel on with 120 and clear that back out. So I'm just gonna try to even these up, make this line straight. See how this kind of comes down and fits right here? That's what I'm gonna do here. So just a little bit there. Need to bring this out just a little bit to there. Just, I don't know what I'm doing, but I gotta make it look good. Or I gotta make it look even, I guess. Here we go. I always forget. This isn't final product. I'm sitting there trying to make it perfect. And it's like, I gotta make these a lot thinner. Oh well, but that's it. I'm gonna clean it up and take some Instagram posts. And then we'll heat treat it, and like I said, this is coming a lot thinner, so these will be coming down anyway. But, well, that's about it. We'll see how it turns out. Man, woo, that feels light. I thought that was a hole for a second. I dropped some Dicam on it. When we heat treat this, I'm only gonna quench the edge and then dip the rest. Just because man, this kind of scares me. Yeah, I think I'm gonna sand over these edges a little bit so they're not as harsh. The top one's probably not gonna be bad because it's gonna go in later, but just cut around these edges off and smooth stuff out a little bit more. But that's about it for this one, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, all that good stuff. My website's the first one in the link, and up in the cards, I got shirts on there like this, and a few knives and Amazon links. The Amazon links are affiliate links, so if you buy stuff, the channel gets a little kickback, but no charge to you. They're also down in the description. So I hope y'all have a great day. Finishing this, and I'll start on this. Out of one, into the other. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope y'all have a great day. As always, take it easy.